Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's kick things off with something that's bound to brighten up your beauty routine. If you're in the market for a lipstick that delivers a fresh burst of color without compromising comfort, you might just be in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Vamps Who Brunch by Fenty Beauty. Designed to give you sheer, glossy color with a nourishing twist. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Vamps Who Brunch lipstick from Fenty Beauty promises a nourishing formula that keeps your lips feeling comfortable all day. Infused with pomegranate, this lipstick isn't just about the color. It's about moisture-locking comfort with every swipe. Plus, the brand promises effortless shine that slips on easily, giving you a polished look with minimal effort. But how does it actually perform in real life? From the moment I applied it, I was impressed by the smooth texture. It glided on effortlessly, no tugging or pulling. The formula is lightweight, which is perfect for those of us who want a pop of color without feeling like we're wearing a heavy lip product. I was particularly drawn to the sheer finish, which is flattering and natural, giving me that my lips but better look. If you love that subtle shine without the over-the-top glossiness, this is a great pick. As for the color, Vamps Who Brunch is this gorgeous deep berry shade. It gives off just the right amount of pigment without being too intense, making it perfect for daily wear or those days when you want to make a bold statement without being overwhelming. I found that it stayed comfortable throughout the day, and my lips didn't feel dry or parched like they sometimes do with more matte formulas. The nourishing pomegranate ingredient really comes through, leaving my lips feeling hydrated. Now let's talk about performance. This lipstick held up fairly well throughout my day. Though, like most sheer formulas, it did need a touch-up after eating or drinking. But the ease with which it applied made reapplication a non-issue. It's the kind of lipstick you can throw on without worrying about perfect precision, which is always a plus. Pros? First, the comfort factor is huge. This lipstick is easy to wear, feels like nothing on your lips, and delivers that healthy shine. The shade is versatile, perfect for daytime wear or evening looks. And the pomegranate infusion means your lips stay hydrated. The packaging is sleek and simple, as you'd expect from Fenty Beauty. And the lipstick itself has a pleasant, subtle scent. On the flip side, the sheer formula, while great for some, might be a con if you're looking for something more pigmented or long-lasting. Because it's so lightweight, you'll need to reapply after meals or extended wear. For those of you who like a more intense lip color, you may not get the bold, full coverage you're used to with this product. So is this lipstick worth the price? Well, at Fenty Beauty's price point, you're paying for both quality and the brand's reputation for cruelty-free beauty. The ingredients, like the pomegranate for moisture, add value, especially if you're looking for a hydrating lipstick that doesn't dry out your lips. Considering the ease of application and overall comfort, I'd say it's fair value, especially for those who love a sheer, glossy finish. If you're on a budget, you might want to check out some alternatives that give you a similar sheer finish, like Maybelline's Color Sensational Shine lipsticks, which are often more affordable, but still deliver a soft shine. But if you're a fan of Fenty Beauty and want that quick slip of luxury, this one is a great choice. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sturdy and sleek. The lipstick itself has a smooth finish, and I'm confident it'll hold up well over time. I haven't noticed any deterioration in formula or packaging so far. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this lipstick, the link is in the comments. Now, I didn't have to reach out customer service for this product, but Fenty Beauty is known for its stellar customer support. They respond quickly to inquiries and offer a solid return policy, which is always a win in the beauty world. If you're looking for a more affordable option that offers a similar shine and moisturizing effect, check out Maybelline's Color Sensational Shine Lipstick. It's a great alternative if you're on a tighter budget, but still want that comfortable, sheer color. Wrapping up, the Vamps Who Brunch Sheer Shiny Lipstick by Fenty Beauty is a solid pick for those who prioritize comfort, hydration, and easy wear. The deep berry shade is versatile, the formula is nourishing, and the application is a breeze. While the sheer finish may not be for everyone, if you're looking for an everyday lipstick that's low maintenance yet stylish, this could be your new go-to. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.